Organizations such as ourselves are managed locally in different regions, and often the regions want input into what licensing that they have.
Having multiple servers to manage, no global rights, and very limited user management. It's been a headache of ours in RPS for a long, long time.
Before, we would first get an idea of increased usage by people reporting that they've been denied licenses.
Licensing in the Autodesk cloud is amazing compared to what we had before. So we have gone from having the 13 servers-ish around RPS to having a single cloud license server. We really couldn't have done this project without the single sign-on. If I've got to create 1,300 accounts, it could have been a bit of a disaster for us.
Having that single sign-on is also a massive benefit that Premium Tier gives to us, in that we don't have to set up new user access. Users don't need to remember new passwords.
User management is far simpler. Now we can actually see exactly who's using what, where, how long they're using it for, and exactly how much it's costing the business.
It gives us granularity that we never had before.
I think it exceeded our expectations. Our goals were to have global rights, to have single sign-on and access to more products, and we got all three of those quite easily.
The Premium Tier also gives us that benefit of having a central contract administration, in that we can manage our global contract with one provider, with one account manager, one reseller, and it makes a massive difference to be able to do that. Our company philosophy is to make complex easy, and it's written into everything that we do. So this Premium Tier has given us that promise.